Now, another thing you want to keep in mind before you actually start cutting, you want to make sure you got enough cord for the length of your project. You want to get the cutting in this, you ain't got the wall or something crazy because you're trying to keep that plugged up or however it might go. So you want to keep that plugged in. And also, there's an arrow here that tells you which way the bit spins. You want to go against the bit. You don't want to go with the bit because you have to guide it when you go with the bit. But if you go, you got to guide it when you go against the bit. But if you go the direction the bit spinning is, your your plunge router is bound to get away from you. So always keep in mind, watch that arrow and go in the opposite direction that the arrow is pointing. And like I was telling you guys here, so you don't get all the dust in your shop, you plug your little shop back up to there. And what I like to do sometimes, just so it don't come unplugged, just go ahead and give that a tie. Not a real hard tie, but just a little tie like that. Go. Safety first. Let me get my goggles. All right, folks, like I was saying, safety first. Get your goggles on. Start at the end. You may not be able to use this right here. It's in place. I'm gonna turn on the vacuum here. And let me show you folks something real quick. My wood had a flaw in it, so you can see how my bit went inside the wood right there. I didn't pay attention to the backside of that, but oh well, it happens, I guess. And I stopped right here on purpose just to show you guys how the router works. So this one had another flaw in the backside of this one. That's why that's right there. But anyway, I stopped right here, and it's a pretty smooth cut. To show you guys, you can always pick off where you left off at. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. See, a smooth finish. Yeah. So I would advise, yes, I would suggest this router, folks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. All right, folks, so the shape I decided to go with is going to be the hexagon. The hexagon is 3 pieces, and the angles inside of that hexagon is 120. And if you divide 120 in half, you know that's 60. Now looky here. There is not a 60-degree angle on the table saw, right? I'm starting here just to give it a nice edge to start from. You want to flip it on every cut so you can get that angle right there on both sides. Keep getting off camera. Sorry about that. All right, let's get them stained up. I know you guys are probably saying, that guy always use this kind of stain. Well, it's the only one I got right now that's light enough. The other stain I got is dark. I don't want it dark right now. And I'm going to use what I have right now. So, you know the deal. Let's go ahead and get this stain, folks.